am back with another skincare product, which name is Anua Heartleaf Quercetinol Pore Deep Cleansing. This cleansing foam is formulated to deeply cleanse pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Infused with houtunia, chordata powder, quercetin, and other skin-loving ingredients, it promises to cleanse, soothe, and hydrate without drying out the skin. This cleanser creates a delicate light foam infused with heartleaf extract, making it suitable for all skin types, especially oily and combination skin. With heartleaf powder, it gently clears pores, exfoliates dead skin cells, and effectively removes impurities. Quercetinol, extracted from heartleaf, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm the skin and reduce irritation even after cleansing. Containing 0.5% salicylic acid, BHA, this cleanser exfoliates dead skin cells and controls sebum production. As a chemical exfoliant, BHA is gentler than physical scrubs, promoting a smoother skin texture and enhancing radiance. Infused with triple hyaluronic acid, this cleanser ensures that the skin remains hydrated and refreshed after use, rather than feeling stripped or dry. The texture of this cleanser is creamy, transforming into a pleasant foam upon application. It excels at cleansing without drying out my skin, leaving it feeling clean and comfortable. However, while it claims to have calming properties, I haven't noticed a significant difference in skin soothing, perhaps due to its nature as a wash-off product or needing more time to see results. One aspect I am not particularly fond of is the fragrance. It has a mild herbal scent, which is not overwhelming, but I generally prefer fragrance-free products. Overall, Anua Heartleaf Quercetinol Pore Deep Cleansing Foam is an effective cleanser for those with combination and oily skin, as well as acne-prone individuals. It combines gentle exfoliation with hydration, leaving the skin clean and refreshed. Despite my preference for fragrance-free products, this cleanser is a solid addition to any skincare routine, providing a thorough cleanse without stripping the skin.